program. Hello everyone, I am Lalit Sharma from the Venkateshwar School, Gurugram. Today we will discuss an important topic of class 9th science. It is gravitation. Students, as you know, if I drop an object, it falls towards surface of earth. Have you ever observed that why this happens? Every object is wide attracting towards earth, or in this universe every object exerts force on the other object, and this is the weakest force known as gravitational force. So this is the gravitational phenomena which is acting between the surfaces, between the objects having some mass. It is first observed by Sir Isaac Newton, and when he was sitting under a tree, apple fell down, and that's why then he observed that why this apple is attracting towards earth's surface. So with what force objects are attracting each other, we will discuss in this chapter, and let's know what is gravitation. So gravitation is the phenomenon of attracting bodies towards each other due to their masses. Every object is having some mass, as we know, quantity of matter contained in a body, and mass is measured in kilogram. So if an object, see this is a chalk and this is board, and they are attracting towards each other with a force, and this force is weakest. So if we talk about how much force is acting between the objects, this law is given by Sir Isaac Newton, and it is also known as Newton's law of gravitation, or commonly known as universal law of gravitation. It is universal law because it is applicable on every object. Maybe it is microscopic, or maybe it is heavenly bodies. If we want to calculate force between earth and moon, then the same force is applicable, the same rule is applicable. And if we wish to calculate force between two protons and neutrons, then gravitational force also exists between them. So that's why it is known as universal law of gravitation. So what is this? What is the statement of this gravitational rule? It states that force of attraction between two bodies of mass m1 and m2, say there are two bodies, these are two bodies, this is m1 and this is m2, and they are separated, their center is separated with a distance, say r. Then the force between them is directly proportional to product of these masses. You can see F is directly proportional to product of these masses m1 and m2, and also this force is inversely proportional to square of distance between them. We can write 1 upon r square. This is the inversely proportional, and r is the distance between the centers of the bodies. So if we combine these relation, what we will get? Force is proportional to m1 m2 upon r square. So this is the relation, this is the force, value of force which is acting between the objects having different masses or same masses. So if we remove this proportionality constant, we apply an constant here. If proportionality symbol is removed by this constant is known as universal gravitational constant, and it is denoted by G. So now equation is F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. And students, value of this G is given by Henry Cavendish, and its value is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. This is the unit of G, and this is the value. And why it is called as universal gravitational constant? Because its value doesn't change at every point on the surface of earth, it is same. And if we talk about units, if we know value of G here, then it will be F into r square upon m1 m2, and if we put value of unit of force, distance and these masses, then we will get Newton meter square and per kg square. This is the unit of universal gravitational constant. Thank you.